Welcome to the Bar and Lounge Chatbot Preview. This smart chatbot is designed to simplify how guests explore menus, events, and reservations, making their nightlife experience easy, guided, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message, followed by a main menu featuring 5 service options: book a table, view events, menu and drinks, happy hour deals, and contact us. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to suit individual business needs and requirements. When a user selects View Events, the chatbot displays a list of current and upcoming events. Based on the user's selection, the bot then presents details of the chosen event along with 3 options: Get Tickets, View Details, or Go Back. If the user selects View Details, the chatbot shares a complete summary of the event. When the user chooses Get Tickets, the bot prompts a short questionnaire to collect essential information such as the number of tickets, ticket type, and preferred payment option. Once all details are submitted, the chatbot instantly confirms the booking with a final confirmation message. This chatbot delivers a smooth, interactive, and engaging experience, helping guests discover events and book tickets effortlessly, all within a single conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can get products, show products, and perform operations on cart from e-commerce. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Bar and Lounge's chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.